In this video, we'll practice solving problems where we have rational exponents. So the first thing we want to do is to move the constant to the other side. So our opposite of subtracting 729, we're going to add 729 to the other side. And then what we want to do is to get rid of that exponent, 6 to the 5th. So what we can do is we can raise both sides of our equation to the reciprocal power. So we'll raise this side to the 5/6 power and raise this side to the 5/6 power as well. So on the left hand side, when we're multiplying these exponents, now we would have x to the 30 over 30, which leaves us with just x. And that's exactly what we want, x on the left hand side by itself. On the right hand side, if we remember our properties of exponents, our denominator represents our index. This is the root that we're taking. And the numerator represents our power. So for our example, this is saying we want the 6th root of 729 raised to the 5th power. So what we notice is that since this root that we're taking is even, we're going to end up with two answers. We're going to have a positive answer and we're going to have a negative answer. Whenever we take an even root, square roots, 4th root, 6th root, 10th root, we're going to have a plus or minus sign. Now we take 729, and how you would enter it in your calculator, 729, caret sign meaning to raise to the power, parentheses 5 over 6. So exactly how you see it right here. And then in Weber sign you have the smaller answer, which will be when you put 729 raised to the 5/6 power in your calculator, and then you would have the negative answer as well, whatever that evaluated answer is once you plug it into the calculator. So let's try one more example. Here, same idea, move your constant to the other side. And to get rid of that exponent, we're going to raise both sides of our equation to the reciprocal power. So we're going to raise both sides to the 3/2 power. On the left hand side, we'll have x to the 6 divided by 6, which leaves us with just x. On the right hand side, we have to remember that if that denominator is even, then we have to include a plus or minus sign. So this is plus or minus the square root of 9 cubed. And when you plug this in the calculator, 9 raised to the 3 divided by 2 power, we'll end up with 27. So our two answers, we will have a negative 27, that's going to be our smaller answer, and a positive 27 is going to be the positive answer. So smaller value, negative 27, larger value, positive 27.